Hi everyone, here's another project for Christmas in July. I hope you like it. Please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified of new projects as they come up. I have several more going along with this paper line. And here's my mini album. The mini album measures 5 by 7 and it's got 5 separate pages in it. I'm selling this complete or as a kit on my Etsy site, but I just wanted to show you a final walkthrough with it all decorated. So I did add these little bulbs at the front. I just thought that that added a little bit more. So the items on the front, these and that, are dimensional. Usually I have some words on the front, memories or something like that, but I just couldn't figure out what to put on this, and I really thought it looked cute without it. So inside we have this dimensional snowman, and this is nice because it's got the grid on it, so you could use that as a journaling card, or you could put photos there, and obviously a photo would fit nice there. And so we've got the hidden pockets and the photo mats inside. Now these open up, and that gives you a lot of room for photos right there. You could put a picture here, and one right there. So that's fabulous, and I love the colors of this. And here's the photo mat there. And now you've got photo mats here. And I've gone ahead and put the pinwheels there on the sides. And there's the photo mat. So this has 2 pockets in this page and 1 in that. So this is a smaller photo mat and the larger one here. And I ended up moving one of these trees because it was catching on that. So I decorated it a little differently, and I think it looks cute. And there's the photo mat there. And here's smaller photo mats. So these are good for Instax or just smaller square photos. And again, I moved this one snowflake because it's popped up and it was catching on this one. And there's the photo mat there. And here we go, the final page. So this opens like that. And then this opens like this. And like this. And then there's the final. There's a page there. So you can get a lot of photos just in that one grouping. Now here this opens up. There's a photo mat in there. And this is a little bit of an accordion pocket. So you can fit a bunch of things in the back there. I always like to put that on the back page so you can get a lot of things. You know, all those pictures that you thought, oh, I'd put them in the book, and you didn't find anywhere to put them in the book. Well, then they fit really well there. So there we go. There is my mini album made using this Snow Day by Crate Paper. I am trying to finish off this paper pad, and you will see some other projects using this paper pad. Thanks for watching.